everybody, welcome back. I am here today with my March Boxycharm base box unboxing. So we will jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. I would love for you to join the family, so please consider clicking the subscribe button. And without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into the base box. So the theme this month for Boxycharm is Lucky, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up very, very shortly. And the first thing that I see here is the Beauty Crop. This is the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Avocado moisturizes dry skin. It has green tea that energizes and depuffs. Retail value $18. I love a good under eye patch. I do have drier under eyes, so I think that this is great. Absolutely will try this. I do know that the Beauty Crop is cruelty-free. I don't know that it's anything else, but I know it is cruelty-free, which I do appreciate. So first product, not bad at all. Next product is by Cab, and so this is another collaboration. This is a lip oil in the shade Honey Dew. And so Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Non-sticky, instant burst of hydration. Swipe on formula. Blah, blah, blah. Supposed to help it stay hydrated all day long. $20 is the value. This is also cruelty-free, which I do love. Let's pull this open and see what it is. Look at that color. It actually was in one of the Boxycharms. They did a Cab, another Cab product that was a lipstick and a liner, I think, and I loved that. Loved that product. Gorgeous, gorgeous tint on that. Let's go ahead and put it right on my hand if you can see anything. And you can't see anything at all. Oh, that smells, oh, it smells just like coconut. Oh, like coconut pineapple, like almost like a pina colada. That's beautiful. Oh, I am excited to try that. So nice, nice, nice. Another nice product. And I don't remember if I said retail value is $20. Next product is Haven Beauty. Maven. Goodness gracious. Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. It is vegan. Cost is $22. So funny that I have this and it talks about setting your intentions and aura lifting. I have been getting into crystals and into really focusing on setting intentions. Kind of looking at how you start each day and really thinking about having a good attitude. I am just dipping my my toes into the waters of crystals and of all of that thing. If anyone's interested in a video, let me know. I would love to do it. I do have several already, but back to this. Let's go ahead and try it. This is quite an external container. I do like it. It is actually rose pattern in the colors, although it's hard to see from that far. I dropped something. It didn't break. It's okay. It didn't break. That is the brightest container I think I have ever seen. You will definitely not miss this on your counter. Oh, that's nice. It was that sound made me a little scared that it was going to like go all over. That's a nice spray. Let's see. That's beautiful. It actually doesn't smell as much. I'm not the biggest rose scent per se. Like some of that perfumey fake rosy smell I really don't like. Just the hint of rose. It is super nice. I like it. I really like it. Huh. We'll see how that works. Very nice. And retail value, $22. This is a good box. I'm liking it. Next product. I have been dying to try this. I know that it is old and has been out for a while. Quite a few people raved about it. This is the Damn Girl Too Faced Mascara. It is supposed to lock in and be smudge proof for 24, smudge proof, wow, struggle, smudge proof, flake resistant for up to 24 hours. Retail value on this is $26. I'm not going to open it right now because I have a ton open, but it does have one of those wands that I like, that is supposed to really get in there. It says they're supposed to have more volume, really nice intense black lashes that are long wearing and doesn't let the curl go down. The bottle or the container on this is beautiful. Again, not a new product, but dying to try this. So I will update you guys on what I think about this. We'll put this in a video and I'll show you. Because I do want to see how this compares to some of the other mascaras that are out there. Like that new Maybelline mascara that I actually like. Lash Sensational Hype, something like that. I can't remember exactly what it's called. Unrelated. And the last thing in here is a 111 Skin, which this line of products is fairly expensive. This is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. It is a peptide-packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to loss of elasticity around eyes and lips. $140! Oh my goodness gracious. I can't even imagine spending that much. Okay. Super expensive. I do have wrinkles that are coming in, particularly these smile lines. I don't have a ton around here, but I do have some, and I do have some forehead wrinkles, which, you know, again, it's from living life and from expression, so I'm not unhappy about it, but I wouldn't be mad if I could help keep it like it is or help it from progressing. Oh, and check that out. That is one of those metal applicators, so you will just put this, again, it did say spot treatment, I guess that makes sense, exactly where, so I would put it right on where the spots that I would want it, and it's that nice cool metal tip. Oh yeah, I am super excited by that. It has, first ingredient of course is water, glycerin, butylene glycol, grapeseed oil, aloe is in here, and a whole bunch of peptides. They do have diamond powder. I'm not sure why that is, other than the name. So there you go. Super excited to try this. And so that was my box. I have to say, I really enjoyed this box so much more than my premium box. I think it was much better. I like the products much better. I really, really enjoyed it. So we'll definitely try these products out. Let's figure out how much this is worth. So we did the $140 for the 111 Skin, the $26 for the Too Faced Mascara, $22 for the setting spray, $20 for the Cab lip oil, and then $18 for the under eye mask, for a total of $226. Well over the cost of the box at $25. Loving the products in that one, so can't wait till I get to try that out. What did you guys get in your box this month? March, the month that hopefully brings change and growth, and we can work out of all of this coldness and into spring and summer, hence the crazy lip. Drop me a line, let me know what you guys think, how you guys are doing. I loved having you here with me today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!